We wanted something light and flavorful for dinner tonight, so we made a broccoli stir-fry. More veggies in the diet is always a win, and with the right sauce, this dish is anything but boring. Let's start with the stir-fry sauce. We made a bigger batch, but for 4 servings, you'll need 1 teaspoon each of salt, sugar, chicken bouillon powder, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. The bouillon and oyster sauce are where that deep, savory flavor comes from. Give everything a thorough mix until the cornstarch is fully dissolved and there are no lumps. Bring enough water to a boil to fully submerge the broccoli. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Add the cut broccoli and blanch for about 3 minutes. The oil is the trick to locking that beautiful emerald green color. Strain it out and set it aside, ready for the wok. Now for the fun part. Heat up your wok and add some minced garlic, along with a small piece of minced ginger. Stir those around until fragrant. Next, add your sliced mushrooms, about 5 to 6 large ones, and let them cook down for a moment. Toss in 1 sliced bell pepper and keep everything moving. Now add the blanched broccoli and stir to bring it all together. If this is already making you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Drizzle in 2 teaspoons of cooking wine for a little extra depth. Finally, pour in the stir-fry sauce. You won't need all of it, so add gradually and stir everything together for about 1 minute until the sauce coats every piece evenly and turns glossy. This broccoli stir-fry is savory, slightly sweet, and layered with the warmth of garlic and ginger. It's a wholesome, veggie-packed meal that comes together in minutes. It's light enough to enjoy on its own or satisfying over a bowl of steamed rice. Simple, healthy, and full of flavor. Try this simple dish tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.